Hey guys, it's Max Imagination here. In this week's video, let's make a wooden bicycle crate or basket that can even hold your little dog. Let's get started. So I started from long wooden planks and cutting them up into pieces such as 17 centimeter pieces, 25 centimeter pieces, and 40 centimeter pieces. There we go, your pieces should look something like this. Take a nail and then bang it into the end of a 40 centimeter piece, and then you're going to bang it into a 25 centimeter piece, something like this. So bang a couple of nails in, and you're going to do this one more time. Repeat this step. So you should get 2 of these pieces, and then you're also going to connect these together with some nails. And if you wonder why I'm tapping so gently, it's because I don't want the wood to split, since this kind of plywood is very prone to split. So be sure to make gentle taps. So we got one done. Let's make another one of these rectangular frames. So once you got the 2 rectangular frames, you're going to start to bang in these 17 centimeter segment pieces of wood with a couple of nails in each corner of the rectangular frame. Then slide the second rectangular frame onto these 4 corners. And since you don't want any nails sticking out of the ends, you gotta bend them sideways. Now it's time to make the bottom. And guys, just if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell not to miss my new videos. Okay, let's get back to the video. So as you can see, we got the bottom done with 3 of these 25 centimeter pieces. So now we're gonna take the hot glue gun and pour some hot glue into just about all the corners. This is just for security. And I actually recommend pour it only into the corners that are facing inside, not on the outside, just for looks. Unless it's the bottom, because the bottom is facing downwards, so no one will be looking at that. Then you're going to take 2 of these 3/4 inch pipes that are 40 centimeters in length. Then you're going to go next to your stove and heat the ends up. Then squish them flat with a pair of pliers. Then you're also going to do the same to the other ends of the pipes. Drill an 8mm hole in each end. Oh yeah, and also make sure the other ends of the pipes are bent. Using a measuring stick, measure 8 centimeters from each end and make sure there's a 9 centimeter gap between the 2 holes we're about to drill. And these holes are going to be drilled in the back of our crate on the 25 centimeter piece of wood. And I'm also going to rip off my rear lights off my bicycle that I made in a different episode. Now let's mount both of our PVC pipes to the rear wheel. And once that's done, you need to know that the bent ends stick up. Once you stuck a crate through one of these bent ends, you're going to also shove the bolt through and tighten the nut on the other side. Using some paracord, you're going to tie the front of the crate to our seat bar. And I decided to change the way I tied it to the seat because the other method didn't work. You're also going to cut the excess pieces off and melt the ends so that they don't undo themselves. Make sure your whole crate is straight and aligned with your bicycle. You're also going to shove your plastic board or sheet inside of your crate. This is going to act as the bottom, so that when you put things inside, they don't slip out and get chewed up in the wheel.
Now I'll be taking Juicy, my chihuahua, on some trips. Alright guys, that should wrap up this week's video showing you how to make a bike crate or bike basket for any of your bikes, BMX, street bike, mountain bike. It suits all types. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Oh, and guys, don't forget to check out some of my other Pimp My Bicycle videos, such as the LED lights that I mounted onto my bike, and the bike belt. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Peace!